Hi guys, don't mind me, this is a weird way to start a vlog or video, but as you can tell, fresh faced, my hair is in a braid out, and today is going to be a short little vlog. Of course, again, it's going to be a girl boss vlog. I have just received a whole bunch of stock for Oso curly, scrunchies, pillowcases, bonnets. As you can see, some are already packed, and these I have to pack today. And also I wanted to open up on camera for you, I do have a new piece of inventory that just came in. So I don't know if I mentioned this in my last inventory haul, but I do use mesh bags to package my pillowcases and bonnets. So I have a new vendor for that because basically Amazon Prime is not being Prime anymore. The wait time is ridiculous, but this company, please excuse my eyebrows and my one nail falling off, but these clip-on nails are so good. So they are from Nailleen. This is not sponsored, I just wanted to share because they're so good. They're glue-on nails and they're in the color ballerina, an original product, but I'm going to be releasing two new essentials. We're now going to have edge brushes. So edge brushes and shower caps. But I'm going to private label them. So I'm going to take them out of this packaging and put them into something. But here are the new mesh bags. They have a bit more gap at the top. These are the ones that I used to use in the beginning, but then I moved to Amazon because obviously Prime, next day delivery. But I've gone back to this company because they actually delivered pretty much next day as well. So now that I have all this stock here, this means that I can now go ahead and pack things. The problem at the moment is a lot of people have already paid for their packages and they're patiently waiting every day. People are emailing, where is my package, where is my package? So I want to make sure that I get these out and at least send everyone their tracking codes just so they can be, you know, reassured that their order is on its way as soon as possible. So I'm going to do that today. The time is 11:30 AM. I have a call at 1 PM with a business, because I now do business consulting calls. So you can call me for like half an hour or an hour depending on the cost of which one you want to choose. And I'll just give you some advice on growing your business or any questions that you have. Sometimes it's nice just to speak to someone on a more relatable level than someone that's doing like way higher or better than you, even though you should speak to someone like that too. But yeah, so I'll leave the link for that down below. All you have to do is just email or DM me for that. So I've got one at 1 PM. It's now 11:30, so I'm going to try and pack as much as I can between now and then. And I'll probably do like a time lapse of me packing and then show you guys all of the packages afterwards, because there is a whole lot. But thank you so much for tuning into the business videos, guys. I see that one of them is just popping, like so many comments daily. I think you really like the Girl Boss series, so I will continue to do this. Comment below if there's any other aspects of business that you want me to share. And yeah, let's go. So I'm back, bonnet on, because I only like to pack orders with a bonnet on, because I find that my hair just, my curls get into everything, and I always worry that one of my customers are going to get a package and see like a curl, and especially if they like know me behind the brand, they're going to think I actually have Shannon's hair on my package. So I just wanted to show you guys, I'm about to yeah, so I've got a whole load of envelopes that I can use here. So I'm just going to grab some and then we can get packing. I've already fulfilled about a quarter of orders, so I'm going to package them, print the labels, which is just about to happen now. Excuse my messy desk at the moment. I'm just going to have to deal with it. So we want to make sure that fits the paper. Oh, again, people's details, not trying to show that off. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and print some of these labels out. Also, I wanted to just share, well, I can't while this goes, but so this month I've given myself a goal, so an income goal. I look so silly with this bonnet on. I've given myself an income goal of a sales revenue. I don't want to say what it is, but basically it is pushing my limit. That's all I'm gonna say. It is the most that I've never made that amount in sales before, but I want to push the limit. It's my birthday month. I'm gonna be 28 on the 25th of May, so I just want to push myself. I've never done this before, but I mean, if you don't aim high, you won't get high. So I'm doing everything possible. So every single day I'm waking up, looking at the money goal, and just doing 3 things that are gonna aid to get to that amount in sales. So today's 3 things were: begin and finish a webinar on Klaviyo. Klaviyo is an email marketing tool, and they're really good for like segments and setting up what are they called, sequences, which is going to help aid me and to make more sales, because email marketing is a great way to make more income. The next thing was read 2 chapters of a e-commerce book that I was gifted by Chloe Thomas, who is the owner of the podcast, the e-commerce podcast, which I'm going to be on soon. So I'll leave the link down for that below. It teaches you a lot about like Google ads and Facebook ads and stuff that I don't really invest in, so it's been interesting to know that, because it's all about marketing. And the last thing that I need to do today was to speak to my mentor about like financing, and because I find that, and I'm sure you guys, if you follow Oh So Curly, you'll know that we are on sale and then we sell out, on sale, sell out, and sometimes there's a long wait time in between stocking up again. So it's just me thinking about applying for funding or a loan or something to allow me to have that stock there so people can buy, obviously. So yeah, that's what my job was for today, and obviously now I'm packing orders, so yeah. And this is how I end the day. Hey guys, so yeah. It is hot. Today's day 2. As you can see, I have all of my packages with me and a box that needs to go to Leicester. So let's go. Yeah, my local post office, I hope you guys can hear me, but my local post office is only like 5 to 10 minutes away in the car. So I'm gonna go there, and then I'm also gonna check my PO box, because I haven't checked my PO box in a long time. It's a bit of an entrepreneur life vlog. Today I got up at 5 AM, finally did my 5 AM, did a walk, had a morning meeting on Zoom, and then now I am going to send some packages. So I'll see you in a bit. That is me all done, guys. Really quick, not much to show. My PO box had nothing in it. Just a note, I would say, when you do go to the post office, make sure you keep this receipt when you are sending orders, because if it gets lost in the post, they like to see a proof of sending, so that is a good thing to keep a hold of. I keep mine for about 6 months, just in case. So yeah guys, that's me done for posting today. I still have way more orders to do, so I'm probably going to do them tomorrow, so I'll catch up with you tomorrow.